Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will explain about exponential number. What is exponential number? The exponent of a number says how many times to use that number is a multiplication. It is written as a small number to the right and above the base number. Other names for exponent are index or power. For example, 7 to the power of 2. 7 is base and 2 is exponent or index or power. For example, 5 to the power of 3 equals 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. The exponent 3 says to use the 5 3 times in a multiplication. Next, I will explain about multiplication of exponential number. The first multiplication of exponential number 4 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 2 based on the meaning 4 to the power of 3 equals 4 times 4 times 4 and 4 to the power of 2 equals 4 times 4. So the result of the exponent is 4 to the power of 5. Next, multiplication of exponential number 3 divided by 4 in bracket to the power of 2 times 3 divided by 4 in bracket to the power of 2 based on the meaning 3 divided by 4 2 times in a multiplication times 3 divided by 4 2 times in a multiplication. So the result of the exponent is 3 divided by 4 in bracket to the power of 4. The last multiplication of exponential number a to the power of 2 times a to the power of 4 based on the meaning a 2 times in a multiplication times a 4 times in a multiplication. So the result of the exponent is a to the power of 6. I have a question. Simplify the following: 4 times n times 3 times n to the power of 3 times 5 times n to the power of 4 times 2 times n to the power of 2. The answer from the question above is multiply the number 4 times 3 times 5 times 2 equals 120. And describe the right variable we get and 10 times in a multiplication. So the answer is 120 times n to the power of 10. Please pay attention to the following equations for multiplication of exponential number 2 times 3 in bracket to the power of 3. Negative 3 times 2 in bracket to the power of 2 and a times b in bracket to the power of 3. Please pay attention to the following equations for multiplication of exponential number to the power of 2 in bracket to the power of 4. Next, for negative 3 to the power of 3 in bracket to the power of 2. And the last, a to the power of 3 in bracket to the power of 4. I have a question. Simplify the following: 2 times p to the power of 3 times q to the power of 2 times r in bracket to the power of 3. Please pay attention steps of the answer from the question above. So the answer is 8 times p to the power of 9 times q to the power of 6 times r to the power of 3. Next, I will explain about division of exponential number 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Next, negative 2 to the power of 6 divided by negative 2 to the power of 4. And the last, 8 to the power of 9 divided by 8 to the power of 4. I have a question again. Find the value of n from the following equation. S to the power of 2 divided by S to the power of 4 times S to the power of 8 divided by S to the power of 3 equals S to the power of n. Following the solution. So the answer is 3 equals n. And the last question, given 3 to the power of 1500 plus 9 to the power of 750 plus 27 to the power of 500 equals 3 to the power of b. Prove that b equals 1501. Let's see the solution. So that's why b equals 1501. Following exponential property.